welcome back to another video. I haven't posted. I know I'm slacking. Ignore my hair because I don't know how to style my hair, but other than that, I am gonna go ahead and be doing a full face of my favorite products for today's video. So stay tuned for that. It's gonna be kind of short, but other than that, then let's get started. And my eyeshadow, I just did it all with the BFF palette by BH Cosmetic, Alondra, and Elsie. So first, we're gonna start off with my primer. This is the E.L.F Jelly Pop Primer. This is the Dewey primer. I actually just got a new one because se me acabó. But yeah, I like it because it has it's like a stick consistency, and it smells like watermelon. But yeah, it smells so good. So I'm just applying them here. We're almost greasy, and it gives you the tacky texture, which this is almost the same thing as the E.L.F Power Grip Primer, but this is kind of more like watery texture-ish, and this one's more like más gruesa que esta. So yeah, look at it, and it gives you like that sticky after texture, so I kind of like it. So this is just like some of my favorite products for me to use like every day to like get ready to not look dead, or just for me in particular, like just to stay home and run errands. Or I can also do a video if you guys want for like a favorite products for me to like go a night out, for my makeup to last more. But for now, this is my go-to everyday foundation for me to go run errands and that I stick to. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation in shade 250C, and I'm gonna go ahead and be applying it with a brush. As you guys know me, that I always apply my foundation with a brush just because I always do. And I'm applying with the Morphe M166, and then after I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and go with my Ulta Beauty Precision brush in number 12. You guys know I always use this, and this is my favorite brush ever since I got it. I actually seen this other girl on TikTok use a different brush. She says that she loves it and that she's never gone back to a beauty blender, so I want to go ahead and try that brush also. So yeah, then for under my eyes, I am using the L'Oreal Full Active Wear concealer in vanilla, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, Pecan. And I'm just applying that right there. Just right there, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out with the Real Technique Beauty Blender. After I do go ahead and set my eyes, I love using the Colourpop No Filter Loose Setting Powder in shade Translucent. And I do get off the excess on my hand, and make sure you guys apply that like very, very good, because then your eye is gonna crease. And this, ladies, we don't want that. We do not want our eyes to crease at all, and we want that. And I just poked my damn eye. But yeah, we don't want our under eye to crease, so make sure you get in there. I poked my eye, especially right here. Make sure you guys actually get in there. Okay, and after I do go ahead and set my eyes and all that, I am gonna go ahead and go in with my favorite cream blush and my cream bronzer. They're both from E.L.F. This is shade Tahiti, and this is shade Belle. And I'm going in with two of my favorite brushes from Itbrushes, right? Yes, Itbrushes from Ulta, and they're so good to work with and all that, and I absolutely love them. I really do love them. They're so good. And they're just so easy to work with, like these brushes. Like, it blends out so damn good. Like, do you guys see how good that blends? After putting that cream blush and bronzer, the cream contour and blush, I had to go ahead and go in with my favorite Colourpop Pretty and Fresh Setting Face Powder, Pressed Face Powder in Light 8 with this Real Tech BH Cosmetic brush in number 3. And I do just go ahead and apply it to the areas where I did not apply powder at all. Look how good this pressed powder is. I love it. I'm obsessed with it. Make sure you're right here. And for my go-to, also my favorite blush and bronzer, this is my Morphe 8A Fest palette, and this is the Revlon Roxy blush palette. And those are my favorite for blush. I usually just go in with these two colors right here, and then just like that. Oh, that's a little too much. So then I just go in with my other brush and I just do tap it. And then for my bronzer, I just go ahead and go in with this one. Just like that. Your forehead, don't forget. And a little bit blush on the nose. Like for my lip combo, it's just the NYX pencil in SandStorm and the NYX Butter Gloss in Fortune Cookie. And my son's in the background. Just like that. And then with the butter gloss, I do just go ahead and just like that. And then when I have too much, so this is a white that I've been using, but it's already dry, I just go ahead and put my finger or tap it to the areas where it's like way too much, and that's it. And this is it for my everyday go-to favorite products for my face. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure to go like, subscribe, and turn on that bell notification so that I miss every time I upload a new video. Bye guys.